Good morning. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Where are you headed today?
I'm flying to New York.
I see your information here. Will you be checking any luggage?
Yes, I have one luggage to check in.
Perfect. Please place it on the scale.
Here you go.
It looks like your bag is slightly over the weight limit. Could you move some items to your carry-on?
Sure, I will take out these books.
Great. Now your luggage is good to go. I see you have selected seat 12C, a window seat. Would you like to keep that, or would you prefer an aisle seat?
I think I will stick with the window seat. It feels more comfortable for me.
Good choice! Let me print your boarding pass. You will be departing from Terminal 3, Gate 45.
Thanks. What time should I be at the gate?
It's best to arrive at the gate about an hour before your flight. After you pass through security, just follow the signs to Gate 45.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Enjoy your trip.
Please place your items in the tray, including your phone, wallet, and any liquids.
Is there anything else I need to do?
Do you have any liquids in your carry-on?
Yes, I have two. Some hand lotion and a bottle of water.
The hand lotion is fine, but the bottle of water is too large. You will need to either drink it now or throw it away.
I will just throw it out.
No problem. Do you have a laptop?
Yes, I will take it out now.
Great. Place it in a separate tray. Now please step through the metal detector. Please step to the side. I'm going to use a handheld scanner. Are you wearing any jewelry?
Oh, I forgot about my watch.
No worries. You are all set now. You can collect your items.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, passengers. We are now boarding Flight 321 to New York. Please have your boarding pass and ID ready.
Here's my boarding pass and passport.
Thank you. Have a great flight.
Thanks.
Welcome aboard. Please place your carry-on in the overhead bin. There's space right here.
Thank you for the guidance.
Thank you. Is there anything I can help you with?
Could you tell me how long the flight will be?
The flight should take about 8 hours.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Would you like something to eat?
What are the options?
We have ham sandwich, pasta, and veggie wrap.
I will take the pasta, please.
Here you go. Enjoy. Can I get you something to drink?
What do you have?
We have coffee, tea, water, and soft drinks.
I will have some coffee, please.
Coming right up.
Thanks.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now descending into New York. Please fasten your seatbelts. Please make sure your seat is upright and your tray table is stowed. We'll be landing shortly.
Passport, please.
Here you go.
What's the purpose of your visit?
I'm here for a vacation.
How long will you be staying in New York?
Just for 1 week.
Where will you be staying?
I will be at the Green Valley Hotel.
Do you have anything to declare?
No, nothing to declare.
Welcome to New York. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Excuse me, could you tell me where I can pick up my luggage?
Sure. Which flight were you on?
I was on flight 321 from Italy.
Your luggage will be on Carousel 5, just down this hallway.
Great, thank you. Now, I need to get a taxi.